Okay, we're here at the fourth lesson. Okay, the fourth lesson is to build your circle of leads. Okay, and to build that, you have to go back to your inner circle. Yung mga taong kilala mo. Your circle is your first market. Okay? Let's be honest. In real estate, trust is very important. Okay? The first buyers, ideally, are buyers or are people who already know you and trust you. So, anong gagawin mo? Diba? I want you, eto practical application to. I need you to make a post to announce that you are going to the career of real estate. That you will take it seriously. That you will need people's help. Okay? Guys, I'm starting out this new venture in real estate. Kailangan ko ng tulong niyo. If you have any referrals or if you're planning to buy a property yourself, pa-contact naman ako. Ganon. Okay? Something like that. Hindi ko kasi alam exactly yung voice na ginagamit nyo o kung paano nyo sabihin yun, paano nyo deliver yun. Pero you see my point. I-announce mo and then ask for help. Okay? For them to refer or if they're planning to buy themselves. Okay? Now, aside from making the post, I need you to message your friends, 20 of your friends, about your venture into real estate. Ngayon, hindi mo kailangang if you're messaging them, connect first. Kamustahin mo muna. Tapos, casually tell them na nag-training ka sa real estate and then, or if they already know you're in real estate and you want to reconnect with them, tell them that you are undergoing this training. Okay? And ask for help as a friend. Okay? They might know someone or they themselves are trying to buy a property. And ikaw, kapag na-open up mo yung convo na yan, alam ko, dahil sa tiwala nila sa inyo, they will actually buy from you. Okay? So, ask 20 of your friends to do this. You will ask for help. Na baka may kilala ka, na nagbebenta or naghahanap ng property or gusto magbenta ng property. Meron tayong mga properties on sale na pwede ka makatulong. And once you're done, I need you to do this activity now. And once you're done, you can proceed to lesson number 5. Okay? So see you on the next one.